Welcome. Let's solve this exponential equation. If we have find the value of 7 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power x, we have 7 raised to power x. We divide both sides by 7 raised 3 raised to power x. Now, this will give us 1. We have 7x divided by 3 raised to power x. Then this is 1. Now, we know that 1, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So you have 7 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power x equals to 7 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 0. Here, I can see that we have 7 divided by 3 raised to power of x. Law of indices. That will give us 7 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have x is equals to 0. Now, supposing I have another question, if find the value of 5x equals to 3 raised to power x. 5 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power x. 5. Solution to that, I can say that I can divide both sides by 5 raised to power x. Raised to power x. So this will give me 1 equals to 3 divided by 5 raised to power x. Using the law of indices. So anything raised to power 1 is raised to power 0 is 1. So I can say to write 3 raised to power 5 equals to 3 divided by 5 x. So therefore, I say 0 is equals to x because the bases are equal, and that gives me the value. I can also reverse it to be x equals to 0, which will also give me the value. Same thing. Thank you.